Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the Binance Referral code. If you're looking to enhance your cryptocurrency trading experience and unlock exciting rewards, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how using the referral code 291935167 can bring fantastic benefits for you and your friends. So, what is a Binance Referral code? It's a unique code that allows you to invite others to join the Binance platform. When someone signs up using your code, both of you can enjoy incredible rewards. This is a great way to earn while helping others explore the dynamic world of crypto trading. By entering the referral code 291935167. During registration, new users can access amazing bonuses. This includes a welcome bonus of up to 100 USD. Imagine starting your trading journey with extra funds. It's like having a head start in a race. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Visit the Binance website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and make sure to enter the referral code 291935167 during registration. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account and get ready to trade. 3. Explore your rewards. Once you're logged in, head over to the rewards section in your account. You'll find all the bonuses available after using the referral code. Now, let's talk about those rewards. By using the referral code, you can enjoy up to a 20% discount on trading fees for life. This means more of your money goes towards investments rather than costs, maximizing your potential returns. Sharing is easy. Spread the word about Binance and your referral code 291935167 through social media or messaging apps. The more people you invite, the greater your rewards. In conclusion, using the Binance referral code 291935167 not only boosts your own trading experience, but also helps others join a vibrant community with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!